Let me quickly explain how we can charge Redmi Buds 6 Active. So as you know, this device actually comes without the power adapter and also without the cable. So in my case, I'm charging them by using cable from my smartphone, and I'm using this Pixel 8a. And now if I'm gonna connect this cable inside this USB-C port, I can find this information that it's actually start charging because this indicator lights up. So what does it mean? That you don't have to actually buy even the charger, I mean this charging brick. I just connect this cable into my PC. So we can connect cable straight into your PC, into your game console, for example, into your TV, basically with any device with the power supply. Of course, you can still use the power adapters, but you don't have to use any original Xiaomi adapter. You can use this one from your phone. So as you can see here, I have actually the power adapter from the Xiaomi, but also I'm using this one. And this is like the Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. It doesn't actually matter what kind of the charger you have, the speed of the charger. You can use this charger, the charging brick. I mean, you can charge this earbuds with every charging brick. This is what I mean, and this is what I want to say. And if you wonder about this wireless charger, then it doesn't actually work because this charging case doesn't actually support wireless charging. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.